Good morning, student. Today we are talk about fuels. Yesterday we seen what is flame, shape of flame, color of the flame, and the three zones are present in the flame: innermost zone, middle zone, and outer zone. So the particular color are present in a particular zone, and all color of flame are depend the contact of oxygen, that oxygen are present in our surrounding. Flame is a small parts of the fire that flames are produced by the fuels. What is fuels? So today's our topic is fuels. What is fuels? A fuels is a any material that can be made to react. Fuels is a any material and it can be react with the other substance. That material are react with other substance. From the reaction it release a heat energy. So it release the energy as a heat. That material are called the fuel. Recall that the source of heat energy for the domestic and industrial purpose. We use the many things like a fuel, such as that material are the woods, charcoal, petrol, kerosene, etc. Industrial, for the industrial area, highly percentage of wood, charcoal, petrol, kerosene are used. Also, the domestic purpose, wood, charcoal, petrol, and kerosene are uses. This substance, this all the substance are called fuel. Some natural fuels are also present here. Methane, gasoline. It's a other fuel's name. A good fuels is one which is a readily available, and that fuels is a cheap. It burns easily. That fuels are easily burned when the fuel are contact with the oxygen that present in the air. It means to say that the fuel is contact with air, it's moderate rate and it's easily burned. It produces a large amount of heat by with when they react with oxygen. It does not leave behind the undesirable substances. These are probably no fuel that could be considered as an ideal fuel. We see the many fuels in our surrounding, but we cannot be consider the any fuel is a ideal fuel. We should look a fuel which fulfill most of the requirement by the particular use. Our requirement, we use a particular use of any fuel. So from this paragraph, we know that we understand about the fuel. That fuel, suppose the wood is our fuel, so that fuel wood are the material that are made and react with the oxygen. After they contact with oxygen, it's get start to reaction. After reaction it produce the heat energy. So what is fuel? Here clear about the fuel. Next topic is fuel efficiency. Suppose you will ask to boil a given quantity of water using a cow dung, coal, LPG as a fuel. Which fuel would you prefer? Give your reason. You may take the help of your parents. Do these three fuels produce the same amount of heat? Amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion 1 kg of a fuel is called the calorific value. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed the unit called a kilojoule per kg. हमारे पास जो वाटर है, एक कुछ अमाउंट में वाटर हमें एक बीकर में लेना है. हमारे पास 3 फ्यूल्स दिए हैं. फर्स्ट फ्यूल इज़ अ काउल डक, सेकेंड फॉर्म इज़ अ कोल एंड अनदर इज़ अ एलपीजी. तीनों फ्यूल का आपको वन बाय वन उसका यूज़ करना है फॉर द बॉयल द वाटर. अब तीनों फ्यूल्स में किस फ्यूल के थ्रू बहुत ईजीली, बहुत रैपिडली वो वाटर बॉयल होता है. इट मीन टू से दैट कि इन तीनों फ्यूल में से ऐसा कौन सा फ्यूल है जो ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हीट प्रोड्यूस करता है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करता है. हीट एनर्जी तभी प्रोड्यूस होती है जब कंप्लीट कंबशन होता है. जब काउडक में फुल कंबशन होगा, कंप्लीट कंबशन होगा, तभी बॉइलिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होती है. सेम कंडीशन इन अ कोल, जब कोल में कंप्लीट कंबशन प्रोसेस होगी तब वाटर को बर्निंग करना, वाटर बॉयल होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड सेम कंडीशन इन अ एलपीजी गैस, व्हेन एलपीजी गैस आर कंप्लीट कंबशन, गेट complete combustion, it start to boiling water. For the complete combustion we have to give some unit. That unit are called the kilo per joule. So here when heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called the calorific value. So here our calorific value is 1 kg per 1 kilo kg per kg. So here is the particular calorific value expressed by the units. So here we have to given some unit. That unit is kilojoule per kg. Here our unit value is 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value is kilojoule per kg. So today we are discuss about what is fuel and fuel efficiency. Next we see calorific value of a different fuels. Here look at this table. In this table you have to given some fuels name. First is cow duck cake, second fuel is wood. From the first fuel we have to given cow duck cake. From the cow duck cake the calorific value from this fuel is we have to give heat energy in amount of 6000 kg 6000 kilojoule per kg to 8000 kilojoule per kg. Next, in a wood as a fuel we have to give the calorific value of the wood is the complete combustion from kilojoule is 17,000 kilojoule to 22,000 kilojoule. Next is coal. From the coal we have to given calorific value is 25,000 to 33,000 kilojoule per kg heat energy are produces. Next, from petrol as a fuel we have to give the calorific value of the petrol is 45,000 kilojoule per kg. Next, diesel, the same value we have to given. In methane as a fuel when we are uses we have to give the calorific value is 50,000 kilojoule. Next, CNG gas, also the same value we have to given from the CNG as a fuel. Next fuel is the LPG. From the LPG liquefied gas. From this fuel we have to given the calorific value is a 55,000 kilojoule per kg, and from the biogas we have to give calorific value is 35,000 to 40,000 kilojoule kg. And last is the hydrogen. From the hydrogen we have to give 1,50,000 kilojoule per kg. So here from the hydrogen as a fuel we have to given more, it's meant to say that higher calorific value is a 1,50,000 kilojoule per kg, and here the minimum calorific value of the fuel is cow duck cake, and the value is a 6,000 to the 8,000 kilojoule kg. So here that all are the fuels of different fuel, and that different fuels have a different calorific value. So here we seen about the fuels and their calorific value. What is the calorific value? That calorific value is the amount of heat energy produced when the complete combustion. When the amount of heat energy produced complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel. When heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg fuel is called its calorific value. Here are constant unit from the 1 kg fuel. From the 1 kg fuel, for the 1 kg fuel, the amount of heat energy produced on a complete combustion. So today we are talk about what is fuel efficiency, calorific value of different fuel.